get to the hill, mainly because I'm lacking time or I just can't find the energy. So in this video, I'm making a backyard snowboard park so I don't have to worry about any of those things and I can just go straight to it. Okay, so here I went into Procreate so that I could design what the hill would look like and I can add the features. Here I added the jump and the landing. Alright, it's incredibly warm out here. We have all of our stuff on. I'm gonna grab our shovel and I will show you guys the entire plan. I want to have a big jump here. Right there you can see that I piled a bunch of snow up to build a landing. And the hip I was talking about is gonna be right there. I think it's a good spot. Here's my knee. Here's gonna be the drop in. Gonna have a big jump right there into the landing. Over there we're gonna have a nice old hip. And then right here, that's where I do my backflip.
Nice.
Anyways, let's get a time lapse. This is gonna be hard. Okay, hold up. I found it! Oh my god. Yes! Oh, I don't get a beating anymore. See? Can't get that in. Anyways, it's up to my belly button. It's gotta be up to here, bro. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so I ordered a GoPro about 2 or 3 weeks ago because my phone camera keeps dying from the cold. It was supposed to come in today, but it got stuck in the shipping place. Now I don't have a GoPro. I just broke the tripod. So now it's a dual pod, and I don't know how to use it. This is honestly so much better than the normal tripod. I just stabbed it so far into the snow, it like is not falling down. Let's go. Okay, this part of the run-up is done. It's gonna need to go so much higher though. And we use the extra snow to build a higher jump. Let me count how many feet this gap is. About 10 feet. If you've made it this far into the video, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos just like this one. I gotta make a spot to case it because I'm more than 100% sure the first time I hit it is gonna be a fat case, and that doesn't make me too excited, so yeah. Okay, here we are. There's the jump. Here's the landing. We might do the hip tomorrow. Here's me. Here's the jump. The jump is not finished. There to there. There it is. Anyways.
The next day.
Okay, last night I did some construction. So now we have a jump that's at least 15 feet. After about an hour and a half of work, I got the jump and the landing looking clean. And now I'm just working on a really tall run up so that I don't case it because I don't feel like doing that. There's the jump, there's the landing, there's the run up, which needs to go higher, and I'll fill you in when I'm done. I finished the run up. fully. Here's what it looks like. Starts here, then there's a little turn. Hopefully that can help me get some speed. And then there's the jump. I think it might be a good idea to wear this thing. What's up, bro? So I can publish this video and stay alive. I'm ready for death. I have a lot of adrenaline because I'm not prepared for this moment at all. You know, I'm the only one home. So if I die, who's gonna upload this video? God damn. Okay, our death cam is set up. Oh no. I think we cased it, couldn't quite tell, you know. Here's how we landed. The board is stuck in there. Oh, it looks like we did case it, maybe. You know, maybe like 3 feet, 4 feet short. That's all right. Also, I'm not doing the hip in this video. I might make this a series where we just completely transform the yard into a snow park. So comment what you guys think I should do, if I should make this a series, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I didn't get many tricks on the jump, but I promise you there is more to come. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and you'll definitely like this video, so you should go watch it right now. Peace.